Hi, welcome to Think Human. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about the difference between comets, meteoroids and asteroids. So I see people mixing these up all the time, and it's not a big deal or whatever, but it might just be interesting to know. So the smallest of these would be meteorites, and this would be from a grain of sand up to the size of a small car, like a meter in diameter. These are usually kind of rocky and metallic bodies just randomly hurling around, and sometimes we see them as shooting stars when they enter our atmosphere and they start burning up because of the incredible speed that they're entering the atmosphere. Next up would be comets, and this would be specifically bodies that are near the sun, and they are also composed of some ices, some waters. These can be any kind of gases like nitrogen, hydrogen, even water ice, and as they move close to the sun heats up the surface, and this produces this comet's tail that we can see. This is essentially just a trail of vapor of all these gases that have been emitted by the heating of this comet. And the biggest of all of these would be asteroids. Now, these can be the sizes of kilometers and sometimes also bordering on pretty much small planets, and these are the things we worry about when we really look up into the sky if anything would collide with us. So asteroids also can be composed of all different kinds of minerals and metals, and really not much more to say about them. They're just like really old rocks floating in space, basically. So this is the distinction between the three. Meteorites, the smallest, see them as shooting stars. Comets, the ones that are with a lot of gases, a lot of ices in them, and when they pass through the sun they start melting, and this gives them that tail that we can recognize them by. And then asteroids, which are already this kind of big things kilometers across. So this is just really simple explanation of all these three objects. So hope you got some ideas. If you have any ideas, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.